guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I did this really dramatic, colorful, pink and blue makeup look. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I already have my eyes primed. I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And I also applied some tape to create a sharp edge in the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start off by taking the shade Bori and put this in my crease. Today I'm doing my eyeshadow a little bit differently. Normally I will go in with the transition shade and just layer a bunch of shades together, but today I'm doing, oh my gosh, I'm just going to go in straight with the color. Once I have that shade built up, I'm going to take the shade Zobo and apply this to my crease pretty precisely. I'm using Morphe M506. It's like a precise blending brush. I'm not going to bring this color up as high as I did the pink shade. And then once that shade's built up, I'm going to go back into Morphe M433 brush that had the pink on it and just blend out the edges. So now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to use the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. And I'm just going to like really lightly cut out my crease. I'm not going to go like too heavy with this. I just want the lid to be a little bit brighter so the color I'm about to put on top of it is going to look a little bit more brighter and like more intense. Then I'm going to take this shade and apply this all over my lid. So now what I'm going to do is take a really small brush. This is the Morphe M213. And I'm going to take the shade Chi and apply this to the very tip of my brush and go in that like cut crease area. Now I'm going to apply a wing. I'm going to use the M Cosmetics Illustrative Brush Tip Eyeliner and apply a wing with this. And then for lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell lashes in the style 252. And then a little thing that I like to do whenever I mess up on my winged liner, because the tip is like a little bit crooked, I like to take some makeup remover and an angled brush and kind of just clean it up a little bit. I'm going to move on to my face now, and for foundation I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm going to mix the shades 115 and 110. I've already primed my face with my moisturizer, by the way. And I'm just going to be applying this with a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And then to set my face in place, I'm going to use this e.l.f. setting powder in the shade Fair Light. I'm going to move on to my lower lash line now. I'm going to take the same palette and go in with the shade Bory again. And just run that down there. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Zobo and run that down there as well. And then really precisely with a really small brush, this is the Morphe G28. Very small definer brush. I'm going to take the shade T and run that very close to my lash line. And then for my inner corners of my brow bone, I'm going to highlight with this shade right here. For the waterline, I'm going to apply this Morphe eyeliner in the shade Harper. It's like a really cool blue shade. And then apply some Loreal mascara, and then the eyes are done. I'm going to move back to the face now, and for bronzer, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Apricot in the middle blush. I'm just going to go something pretty neutral and peachy so that it matches the eyes. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Baked Highlight in the shade Pearl Dust. For lips, I'm going to apply the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Child Star. And then right in the center, I'm going to apply this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Piranha. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more from me, I upload 2 to 3 videos a week. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Other than that, that completes this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I don't like brushing. Okay.